Geometry, Unit 5, Chapter 7, Section 3, Composition of Transformations. When you apply one transformation to a figure and then apply another transformation to its image, the resulting transformation is called the composition of transformations. So if we take this first image, I'll call it A, B, C, and we apply a reflection across this line, we get A prime, B prime, C prime. And then we apply another reflection across this line, we get A double prime, B double prime, C double prime here. And you can do it with more than rotation. More than reflections. You can do rotations, transformation, and translations, dilations, all sorts of different transformations together. Now, if we look at what we have here, we have reflection across parallel lines. So we're reflecting across this line. So we go from this image to this image. Then we reflect across this line from this image to this image. Now, you'll notice something. When we do a reflection across two lines, look at our images. From our original to our two reflected image. And they're the same. When you reflect across two parallel lines, you actually just end up with the translation. It's just you're moving the image across. A glide reflection is when you start with a translation, so we're just moving, in this case, from this check mark to this check mark. We then do a reflection across an axis or a line or whatever. This is called a glide reflection. We start with a translation, and then we do a reflection. And if you do it in the other fashion, it's fine too. If you do a reflection, then a translation, it's still a glide reflection. You're moving it and then reflecting, or reflecting and then moving it. Vectors. So we've talked about vectors previously. Just want to look at it here, just mention it again. It's the same idea as a translation. It's just in a different format. So previously we've done some translations like this: x plus 3, y minus 4. Well, that is seen in this format, 3 comma negative 4. So if I had something like x minus 5, y plus 1, that is the vector negative 5, 1. So that is a vector, and that is the end of this lesson.